40 ساله که میشناسه معنای عشق و شور و ایثار، از فتنه ها ما رو نترسونیم، قطره نمیترسونه دریا رو. دلداده توفان صحرا و دلبسته موج خروشانی، ما از دیار رستم و سهراب، از نسل آوینی و چمرانی. مثل خلیج فارس پیچیده آوازه این عشق در هر جا، وقتی که حرف از خاکمون باشه کوه دماوندیم پا بر جا. مثل خلیج فارس پیچیده آوازه این عشق در هر جا، وقتی که حرف از خاکمون باشه کوه دماوندیم پا بر جا. انفجار نور ممکن شد با پرتو نور محرم ها، از امتداد خط عاشوراست اعجاز تهرانی مقدم ها. دریا 40 ساله که لبریزه از خاطرات کرخه تا اروم، می جوش خونه توی رگهامون با ذوالفقار و فاتح و الوم. با انقلاب ما گره خورده دلها به نام نامی ایران، حالا 40 ساله که میخونیم جمهوری اسلامی ایران. با انقلاب ما گره خورده دلها به نام نامی ایران، حالا 40 ساله که میخونیم جمهوری اسلامی ایران.
Actions and prominent achievements on the advancement of women and family status in the Islamic Republic of Iran. Women and sports. 1. Women get access to over 16,111 gyms. 2. Women have won 3,302 medals at recent international sporting events. 3. Female athletes have earned Olympic and Paralympic quota places. 4. 70 women are serving as heads of sports delegation across provinces. 5. Women possesses 97 international seats in sports federation worldwide. 6. 88,366 women work as referees in national and international sporting events. 7. There are 50 female presidents and vice presidents for different sports federations. Women, employment and entrepreneurship. 1. implementing the national plans of sustainable family-based business network to connect job seekers with entrepreneurs and companies. 2. Provisions of over 4,200 microcredit funds with 1,200 billion riyals of governmental credit for rural women. 3. Over 2,390 women serving on the boards of directors of knowledge-based companies. 4. The unemployment rate for women dropping to 13.7%. 5. Social security insurance coverage for housewives. 6. Social security insurance coverage for woman-headed households. 7. Social security insurance coverage for all rural and nomad women and girls. 8. Sustainable business development via implementation of systematic strategy plan for rural and nomadic women micro-businesses based on LNSIE model. 9. Women founding over 250 knowledge-based companies. 10. Over 735 women working as managing directors in knowledge-based companies. 11. Increase access to natural resources for women via women cooperative and land allocation to their unions. 12. Implementing the National Employment Empowerment Plan with the particular focus on rural and nomadic women. Women in authority and decision-making positions. 1. Women holding 25.2% of all government positions at all levels, including the highest, middle, and basic executive positions. 2. Women serving as the Vice President for Women and Family Affairs. 3. Over 1,000 women working as judges in the country. 4. Increase in the number of women candidates to enter Parliament by 227% in the 11th term. 5. Increase in the number of women as Parliament members by 16.5 times since the first term. 6. Increase in women's participation in the Islamic Consultative Assembly by 5.59%. Women and health. 1. Implementation of the universal health coverage network for all urban inhabitants and 99% of rural people and nomads. 2. Performing of deliveries by female obstetricians in 95% of cases. 3. Presence of 60 midwives and 2.8 gynecologists per 100,000 women across the country. 4. Increase of women's life expectancy to 78 years. 5. Reduction in neonatal mortality rate per 100,000 births by 8.2. 6. Reduce mortality rate of children under 5 years of age by 14.2 per 100,000 births. 7. Women making up 90% of all gynecological surgeons in the country. 8. Women making up 40% of all specialist physicians and 30% of all subspecialty physicians. 9. Iranian women ranking 10th in the world for the lowest cervical cancer mortality rate.